Yo, what is up, YouTube and the Monster Club? It is yours truly, the life of the party, the young Gohard, and I'm not gonna lie, for the next 3 hours, I still run the 305 because I am the party monster. As you guys can see, I am still on vacation, and yes, so I'm actually gonna be going over my experience at my very first Rolling Loud 2023. Just ended yesterday, but I want to give you guys my overall thoughts, opinions, and will I come back again next year? Again, watch the entire video. If you guys haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Join the Monster Club. I will be giving you guys my full thoughts and details of my experience and some clips along the way. So yeah, let's just get right into it. I could not agree with the sign more. Let's go. Monster Club Miami, what the fuck is up? Your boy is out here at Rolling Loud 2023. I am so hyped and ready to go get it in tonight. Travis Scott's gonna kill it out here tonight. You know what he did? Club, we in here, Rolling Loud 2023. I'm so excited to finally make that traditional run to the stage. You know your boy's gonna be, I've been waiting to do this for 300 and some odd days right now. It's been a year in the making. We're gonna do it in 3, 2, 1. Monster Club, I've been waiting for this moment all year. Let's go. We're Rolling Loud, baby. Let's get it. Let's fucking go. Woo, woo.
Miami, make some noise for Jaleel. That's why you got a 12 color rocket. I ain't really taking how you kiss that. Yo, why you say I'm looking like a old snack? 300s in my safe, I got old racks. LA bitches always asking what up.
I kind of forgot to mention this earlier, but they do allow you to bring an empty water bottle, which I definitely suggest you bringing because you can refill your water bottle throughout the day and you're going to really need it because it's going to get hot as shit out there, so you want to stay hydrated. And you should definitely bring a plug-in for your phone and everything so you're charged up throughout the entire night because at the end of the night you're going to need a Uber or a way home, so I definitely suggest bringing the charger. There are chargers at little light poles, stand, whatever. I don't know how to describe it, but it's white, it lights up, and there's a little bit of there is an outlet on it, so if you see it, you can just plug in your phone and charge up. But other than that, as far as like pricing, the pros and cons, I gotta say, I like the selection of the food that they had out there and everything. However, the prices were just ridiculous. Like this Four Loko, I kid you not, cost $18 at the show. I got this one for $3 at the local 7-Eleven, and I felt good. I had a nice little buzz going to the show, and your boy was straight out there. But you're going to be out there for at least 6-7 hours, so you're going to want something to eat. So I suggest honestly eating before you go into the event if you can do it. So you save yourself hell of a lot of money and everything. Hot as fuck out here at Rolling Loud. I'm not going to lie. Like, let's just drink some water so I don't pass out.
I'm way too dumb, yeah. It's what it's way too hard, way too cool, way too
It was fucking crazy. I survived my very first night of Rolling Loud. Let's fucking go.
That was my worst fear when this happened. Dude, like I said it out loud on accident.
Yo, Travis just killed that shit. Like, I'm gonna have no voice tomorrow because I was screaming my fucking lungs out every fucking song. But yeah, it was a really good night. I'm about to head home, get some sleep. We're gonna do it all again tomorrow. So the $1 million question, will I go to another Rolling Loud? And the answer is yes. I had a great time. Next year I'm gonna be way more hella prepared and whatnot. And yeah, we'll definitely probably stay closer towards the venue and whatnot. But overall, had a fun time. We'll definitely do it again. And yeah, so that's going to do it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, hit that like button. If you feel the vibe, hit subscribe. You guys can follow me on Twitter at PartyMonster1 and on Instagram at PartyMonster05. And until next video, remember, don't be a dick. Be excellent to each other and party on, dudes. Peace. I love y'all. Bye.